You're going to receive your cam and solar panel in two separate parts, so we need to actually connect these together. What you're gonna need are 4 screws from the material that we gave you, and we will give you some extra screws, so don't worry if you lose any. This little black plastic ramp, and your Allen key. You wanna find a smooth, flat surface, something clean for your solar panel. We wanna protect it from getting scratched or even cracked potentially. So if you don't have anything clean and smooth enough, you can always just grab a pad like this or a towel and put your solar panel carefully on top of it. Okay, what we do is we start with the black ramp and we put the piece under here. This is help getting the right height that we want. We then take the cam and we're gonna set it on the outside, and we want these holes to line up properly in order to get these screws in. If for some reason they're not screwing in pretty easily right away, it probably means that your alignment of your holes isn't good and you might need to change that. So I'm gonna lift this just a little bit to get that alignment better. Just hand tighten these screws for now. We'll tighten them down later. Then you're gonna take this lever here and we wanna get this notch into this hole. So I lift the cam, and it might take a little bit of finagling, but I'm basically gonna just move this lever until it goes right through that hole. I take my next 2 screws and I'm gonna screw this lever down. We'll start with just hand tightening at first. Great. Now we're gonna take our Allen key and we're gonna actually tighten down all of these screws that we just put in. Don't over tighten, just nice and snug is what we're going for. Start with the 4 that you just put in, and then come up a little bit higher on the lever and hand tighten with the Allen key these 2 also, just to make sure this level is nice and secure. The last step is to take the power cord for the solar panel and attach it to the cam. So the way we do that is, if you look at the solar panel, you can see there are these 4 prongs and this little notch right here. And that needs to line up with the 4 prongs and the little notch on the receiving end. So I push this in, and when you get it, it should click in just like that. And then take this cap and just push it down and twist it, and that will make sure that that power cord is fully secure to your cam. This looks great. This is now ready to get mounted. From the CSU side, we'll be able to monitor how your cam is receiving solar power, so don't worry about that. Remember, you still have this little black plastic ramp piece. You can just keep this with your other materials and set it aside for later.